Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making a mandarin cheesecake. Into my bag I am going to place digestive and ginger biscuits. I'm now going to smash them up. I'm now going to pour my biscuits into a bowl. Pour in my melted butter and give them a mix. I'm now going to add my biscuit base to the bottom of my baking tray. And I'm now going to leave it in the fridge while I make my next part. In my bowl, I'm going to cream together cream cheese and icing sugar until it makes a thick paste. In my bowl, I'm going to add 2 packets of dream topping and 300 millilitres of milk and whisk it until it goes thick. Now I'm going to add in my dream topping and mix it together. Now I'm going to add my cream cheese layer. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge to set for 1 hour. I'm now going to take my mandarins and arrange them on top of my cheesecake. I have put my saucepan onto a medium heat. I'm now going to add some mandarin juice and bring it to the boil. While I'm waiting for it to come to the heat, I'm going to add 1 sachet of veggie gel to help thicken. Now that it has come to the boil, I'm going to turn the heat off and let it cool slightly. Now that it has slightly cooled, I can pour it over the top of my cheesecake and then leave it to set in the fridge for 1 hour. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.